Hi, I'm Noriko with Noriko's House Cleaning, and I went back in our videos vault again, and we're going to cover how to clean a cooktop as well as a porcelain sink. Today we are at a deep clean, and I noticed that we have some burnt-on stains on the burners. We're going to talk about that, as well as the porcelain sink, which has some stains and some pot scuffs at the bottom of the sink. Now we're adding Barkeeper's Friend, adding some water, taking a stainless steel scrubber, and working it in. Next, we will take a razor blade at a 30-degree angle and scrape the burnt-on food. Keep working at it until you're able to remove the residue. And here's the finished product. Now we're moving over to the porcelain sink. We've added some Barkeepers and some water. Barkeepers is amazing.